Welcome to feelsgood.io, the software I developed to facilitate communication between teachers so that we can better support our students, because students learn better when they feel good. And currently the barrier to teachers working in sync is that it's hard to know everything you need to know about your class when they enter your door, hence why we have feelsgood.io. So the software is relatively straightforward. Essentially, we have a dashboard just here, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. It takes me into my account. Now my account is for a teacher, a hypothetical teacher called Patrick Jensen, and I have 12 students. Here is some of my recent activity, and if I come into my dashboard, I can see all the classes I have been assigned. Now the other thing I wanted to include in feelsgood.io is I wanted it to be two-click functionality, because teachers are busy people. So essentially, when you log in, if we just refresh the page, you're straight to the dashboard. Your first click is to click on the class that you're about to have. So this is a Year 8 administration class. I have 12 students. We can switch between classes from within here. And immediately I have context about some of the students in my class. So here is the role for the students. I can see that 2 notes have been left from previous teachers. We can see that one student has a happy flag, which means they're in a great mood. And another student, Ashley, has a note assigned to her name. As the teacher, I can click to see the note. This just says that Stephanie Anderson is happy, and that was left by myself in Year 8. And then the secondary note is for another student who had an amazing result in her music exam. Now, these are notes that I personally left for these students. However, if I were to come over to another teacher, in this case, we have Stephanie Anderson, who has 17 students. Now, when Stephanie has her class, she can click on her class, and immediately she can see both of those notes, she can view them, and she can see that they were left by Patrick Jensen, stating that Ashley had an amazing result in her music exam. And so as soon as Ashley walks in the door, you can congratulate her on her recent success and build the momentum of success throughout the day. The software is obviously also fully functional on a mobile device, so if you were just walking between your classes, you could quickly check it out. Once again, straight into the dashboard, you can see your classes, you can select your class. We see the students that have notes, we can view the notes, and we have all the context we need for a successful lesson. And then as the teacher of this class, what I could eventually do is scroll down to another student, Alexandra Alice. I can add a new note. I can either do a quick mood check stating what her current mood is, or I could leave a note saying she had a rough lesson and was rather distracted. And then I can go ahead and save the note. The note is saved for that student, and then any other teacher who has Alexandria Alice will have that note. So now if I come back over to Patrick and head into the dashboard, I come to my class, there we have Alexandra Alice's new note. She had a rough lesson and was rather distracted. I immediately have the context I need to facilitate her in my classroom and give her the support she requires. If you wanted, you could check out the All Students view, where you could look up a particular student. You could load all of the notes for that student. You could choose to view them, click on the full history of that particular student. You could see that Alexandria Alice has a bunch of notes from previous days earlier this month. And as for how onboarding would work, essentially all you do is let me know that you're interested, and I can take your teacher information, classes, students, and I can set up all the accounts. It's just teacher accounts, but obviously every teacher is assigned their appropriate classes, and each class has its assigned students. It's totally secure, so all of your data and information, or the information or data of the school, is completely private. No one else can access it except for the teachers within your school. And if you have any issues, you're welcome to just send us a message.